Hello everyone, welcome to Salesforce Network Salesforce Administrator Tutorial. Salesforce account creation. Prerequisite for creating a Salesforce account, that is one email ID is compulsory. Email ID can be on any domain like Gmail, Yahoo, Hotmail. So our first step is step 1, registration URL https://developer.salesforce.com/signup. By putting this URL on any browser, it will pull up a form where we have to provide our details. In step 2, enter primary details like first name, last name, followed by email address, then choose role. For initial, we can go with developers or administrator or any role. Then after company, company name or school or college name. If someone is working in a company, then they can provide the company name. And if someone is not a working person, then he or she can go with a school or college name. Then after country, postal code. Finally, the tricky point is enter username. Username must be in this format only. Your name means your first name, last name, combination of first name, middle name, last name, anything you can provide. That username must not be exist in the Salesforce environment. If it is existing, then we cannot create by that name the Salesforce account. Like the Gmail, what we are creating the Gmail account, if that email account is existing, then we can't create. The same with Salesforce also. Then at the rate symbol is mandatory, followed by company name or school name or college name. Then dot symbol is mandatory, and finally com is mandatory. At the end, we have to click on sign me up button. It will send a email on the given email ID. Activate account. Activating account means login to the registered email address. Click on verify account button. It will ask for set new password and security question for login. After providing all the details, it will log in, and by default it will land on lightning page. Then we can check the profile over here, and Salesforce is given to us like two modes, classic mode and lightning mode. By default it is going to land on lightning mode, but we can go on classic mode also. So log in to your Salesforce account. Here we are logged in into our Salesforce account, but for the further next time how we are going to log in to our Salesforce account. So production URL https://login.salesforce.com. This is the URL for further login. Our username, make a point or note of your username and password. After typing this URL and providing your credentials like username and password, you will log into your account. Sandbox URL is for the working peoples who are working on a live environment, means there is a production, and sandbox is also created for that production org. So for that peoples this is important. The URL should be like https://test.salesforce.com. Here only sandbox is going to log in. Then after track performance URL, that is https://trust.salesforce.com. In trial account, what Salesforce is providing to us, trial account we get cloud like Sales Cloud, Basic Service Cloud, environment, production environment, the developer account. We can write a program over here, do all the configuration and customization what we are doing in our real time environment. Edition will be developer edition, or we can say that trial version. License is it's providing 2 Salesforce license, 3 Salesforce platform license, 5 community license, and so many more. Note, on trial version account we cannot create sandboxes. Company profile and information. What is company profile? This will specify basic details about our organization like company information, physical year, business hours, holidays, language setting, data production, and privacy, etc. Company information. This will specify complete information about our organization like organization name, primary contacts, user licenses, permissions, set licenses, feature licenses, user-based entitlements. For every Salesforce instance, Salesforce will assign 15-character unique ID based on which Salesforce will recognize your organization. Trailhead account. What is this? Trailhead is Salesforce free online learning platform. It helps Salesforce developers migrate from Salesforce Classic to Salesforce Lightning Experience, a modern development platform that uses declarative code to enable someone with limited coding knowledge to build applications. Help URL is provided by Salesforce like https://help.salesforce.com/s. For admin helps, it's like admin.salesforce.com. For developer related task, there is developer.salesforce.com. Example means we are going to create a Salesforce account by the name, username like here Salesforce, I am providing the username @networks.com and password. So now let's see how to create Salesforce developer account, or how to create a free trial account given by Salesforce. So first we need to open any browser like Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Edge, or any one of the browser. Here I had opened Google Chrome browser, and I had typed the name https://developer.salesforce.com/signup. This is the URL where we have to create, or Salesforce providing this URL to create the account. So for creating the Salesforce developer edition account, we have to provide first name, last name, email, role, company, country, state, postal code, and the important thing is username. Username must be in this format, means your name @ then your company name .com. This username is available in Salesforce ecosystem. It will provide, otherwise it will ask us to change your username, and again click on sign me up button. So finally we have to click on sign me up button. So maybe it is going to take some couple of minutes. Yeah, so we got a mail from Salesforce. Just I need to click over here. Welcome to Salesforce, verify your account. And here it's saying that thanks for signing up with Salesforce. We need to click on this verify account button, or we can click over here also. The username will be salesforce@networks.com. So it's asking for change your password. Password must include at least 8 characters, 1 letter, 1 number. Then there is a security question. In what city were you born? Or you can change the security question from the drop down list. So I am going with in what city was your first job? I am providing here Gurugram, and click on change password. So by default it is going to land on the lightning experience page. Here we have two modes for lightning. One is lightning experience and one is classic mode. So on clicking on view profile button, that there is an option switch to Salesforce Classic. What does it mean? There is two options given by Salesforce. One is lightning platform, what we are seeing right now, and one is classic. In the PPT we had seen that there is a Trailhead account also. We have to connect with this account. We have to put in the URL trailhead.salesforce.com, and we need to click here on login button. Then in the experiences we have to click on Trailhead. This is the platform provided by Salesforce to do the practice or learn how the Salesforce is going to perform. So these are the ways by which we can link our Trailhead account. Click on Salesforce. We have to provide our username what we had created right now and provide the password over here. Click on login. Click on allow button. So first time it is asking for the country. Select the country, select the state, and click on I agree to main agreement and Salesforce program agreement. Click on next. So again it is asking for some couple of details. Provide the company name, like I am providing networks, and the role what we had chosen over there, that is developer I had chosen. Click on next button. So it's done. It's saying that welcome Trailblazers, let's get you in. This is also a free Salesforce Trailhead account. So it will look like this. So first of all it is asking for Salesforce, let's learn something new today. After creating the account, get started with Trailhead and Trailblazer community. This is the introduction part. Just we simply need to read this one, and Trailhead and Trailblazer community basics. And after completing, you are getting some badges, some points. So we will see, and here trials are there. Follow guided learning paths. Trial mixes are there. Trailhead Academy, Trailhead Go. Here we can go with the modules. Own learning adventure. This choose your own learning adventure. Modules is there. Projects is there. Trailblazer Quest is there. And for the career path, here it's providing the career path. Trailblazer Career Market, Trailblazer Career Marketplace, Salesforce Fundamentals, Trailblazer Blog. So coming to Trailblazer Quests, all the time some quests are coming over here. We can explore by simply clicking on Explore Quest. Join the learning adventure. Here some of the features are there. Build with Einstein Quest. After doing this all the challenges, sometimes it's providing uh, giving the gifts and certification vouchers also. Skill up with monthly quests. So the new things are coming. Beginners quest, start your trailblazer journey, AI skill quest, and many more are there. At the right side, if you are coming over here, see, is the username. uh, this is a new account, so no badges are there, no points are there. This, by clicking on logout button, we are going to log out. Thank you.